Hey folks, welcome back to the Car Care Nut. As you guys can see, I've gotten me a chesty, I guess you could say, a chest mount for my GoPro. Right now I have my camera, or I'm sorry, not my camera, my phone mounted to it. But today I want to review and give some feedback on a new product, consumer grade product. And I say new, it may have been out for a while, but I just saw it today at Walmart. And going with the theme for 2019 is I'm trying to do more products that are more consumer oriented, consumer based. So here it is. It's the Meguiars Endurance Tire Gel. It says it's long-lasting, high-gloss shine. On the back here, it's got directions. It says apply to a cool, clean tire. Apply a medium amount on a foam applicator. A medium amount, that's up for interpretation, what your interpretation of a medium amount is. But either way, applicator or soft cloth, and spread evenly across the tire. Wipe off the excess. And it goes on to say, basically, if you want higher shine, you wait 10 minutes, you apply a second coat. If you want less of a shine, pretty much you wipe it down immediately. But it says don't use it on motorcycles. And it says it lasts weeks, not days. I'm going to assume that this is probably a solvent-based, oil-based. Two reasons is one, it lasts so long, and the other is it slings. It's, basically talk about the sling and stuff. But either way, as most of you know, or as some of you may know, I use hyper dressing for most of my rubber and vinyl parts. But I want to give this a try. You see, I'm using it on my car here on Sally. So we'll see how she does. Now, what you need to do is go and clean your tire before you apply this. And what I've done is I've gone around my tire with some isopropyl alcohol. Some people may agree or disagree or frown upon using isopropyl alcohol on your tires. The arguments back in the day when I was younger was the fact that they would say isopropyl alcohol or alcohol would rot your tires or dry your tires out. As you can see, my tires look fine. I've never had a problem with that because, the main reason is once I use isopropyl alcohol on my tires, I go over it with something. Back when I was younger, it was Armor All. Of course, you can always go with something like a good super degreaser or some type of degreaser to clean the grease and grime off your tires. I've already cleaned my tires. I did record it, so I'll probably put a video on there of that. But this is the dirt that came off the tires, just kind of give you an idea. All right, so let's get going on this. All right, folks. It doesn't say that I have to use. It says to use a foam applicator pad or a rag or towel. It doesn't say I have to use a lot of pressure, so I'm going to use an old, worn-out applicator pad here that I got. We'll see how it goes. This is the first time. I've never used this stuff ever, so this is my first time using it. So I'm trying to apply a little bit on the pad there, on the applicator. Set my bottle down. Then I'm going to fold it and knead it. I'm sorry. I'm getting used to this camera, so I apologize. Getting used to it being here. It'll probably be better whenever I get the GoPro, because I can use a wider field of view, or GoPro mounted. All right, so here we go. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a quick coat on there like that. Then I'm going to follow back up. And I know it says wait 10 minutes, but I'm considering this all one coat. Just a little bit on there. And it smells like grape. Now, I'm one of these people that I don't like my tires real shiny. So, let's see if I can adjust my camera. All right. So that's one coat. I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm not going to wipe it down. It says you can wipe it down. I guess if you want to dole it out a little bit. I think I'm going to leave it like that. This is going to be my first application. Just leave it alone. So we're going to do all 4 tires like that. And we'll see how they turn out. All right, folks. I've applied 1 coat to each tire, and so we'll let this thing sit up and see how she does. It doesn't look that bad. Looks all right. Now, some people, I guess if you like super shine, this is not going to be for you. At least 1 coat is not going to be for you. But if you like a little bit of bling, it looks okay. Now it says you should wipe off anything that's in the tread. But I mean, I don't have any buildup in the tread. I didn't put that much on. You see how much I still have left in the bottle. I think I'm one of these people where I want to get the biggest bang for my buck. If I have to use half the bottle to get the amount of shine or sheen, I guess, then it's not a good consumer product for me. So right now, this is actually a good look for this car. And you see how little I've used. I think this is like $8 at Walmart, so that's not bad. All right, well, just like everything else, I'll keep you guys and girls updated. What I'll do is I'll keep this on the car for about a week, and I'll do you an update video on it and see how it's holding up. And right now I don't plan to put another coat on there. I'm just going to leave it like this. But if I do, I'll make sure I update you guys on that. Thanks for stopping by.